Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today we are going to be sublimating, and we're going to be sublimating onto this messenger tote bag I ordered from Amazon. Just show you guys how long it is. So you can see it's pretty long, and you actually get two of them for $20. So I will link the supplier in the description. So this right here comes off. It has a Velcro strap coming across here. So you just take that Velcro and pull it apart, and this comes off so that you can sublimate directly onto this. All right. So we are going to be sublimating on here now. According to Amazon, the supplier, it's 7.5 by 9.5. So I have my asub. Y'all know how I feel about asub. I have my asub sublimation paper ready, my ink, and my Epsom Workforce 7720. And the image that I'm using, I collaborated with my granddaughter because I'm going to be sending this to my granddaughter for her 17th birthday. I'm late, y'all. But the bag came later than I had anticipated. So my granddaughter and I were collaborating today, and collaboration basically means I send her images and she say yes or no. Okay. And so I chose one image and she chose a different image. Since it's her bag, I'm going to go with the one that she chose. I'm going to show you guys here. So she wants to be a chef. So I created this image in Midjourney. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I put Chef MG on the top of the hat up here. So if you guys can't see it, it'll come. You'll be able to see it better. The image that I chose was. I'm going to show you the image that I chose. That she said I like the first one better. When she said that, it's a wrap. I sent her this image, and I said I thought she should go with that one. But again, she spoke, so I mean the person looks the same. Just one got the hands, like they're taking the chef world by storm. But that's the one she chose. So that's what we're going to be sublimating onto this messenger bag. I showed you how long it is. This detaches, and then you just place it back on. I like this better than some bags you get, guys, because some bags will have this where it's attached and you can't take it off. And so you can't really get a good sub. But I'm going to be doing my standard 375 for 60 seconds on here. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. And just going to print this directly from Microsoft PowerPoint. And the reason is because I love it. All right. So there you go. Hey, now you know. Now you know why I'm doing it. I'm printing from Microsoft because I love it. Yeah. All right. All right. Here we All right, guys, I fibbed. I'm actually going to design this out in Canva, and then I'm going to print it from Microsoft PowerPoint. No, I just feel like when I do the PDF print from Canva, it just it prints very dark. I don't understand why. So I'm just gonna do it in Canva, okay? And then I'll print it from Microsoft PowerPoint. All right, so 7.5 by 9.5 is the size. So I'm just gonna come into Canva and do a custom size here. So I'm going to change this to inches, and I'm gonna do 7.5 by 9.5. All right, and we're gonna create our divan. And then I'm going to upload that image and upload Here is my image. All right. Ain't it pretty? Y'all see I did Chef MG on there? It's pretty. All right, so we are going to get this sized accordingly. And I'm kind of not feeling that arm looks a little wonky. So let me see if I can pull that arm out. All right, so not bad. So this is the image that we're using. You can see where I added Chef MG on there. I kind of slanted it a little bit since it's not forward facing. And we are going to get this. I'm going to pull this down a little bit more because I'm still not happy. Let's see. I like that. I like that better. I like that better. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and there's nothing else for us to do here. We're going to go ahead and click on share and we're going to go to downloads. We don't have to worry about a transparent background. We're going to leave this save the download settings. That way when it goes into Microsoft PowerPoint, it will come in at that 7.5 by 9.5 sizing. So we're going to go ahead and download this as a PNG. Now that we have that done, we are going to now go in and grab our image that we just uploaded. So insert and picture this device. We're going to go to our downloads and we're going to grab that image right there and insert it. And you see it comes in Microsoft at 7.5 by, I don't know why it did. It changed. Oh, I know why. It's because my paper is not set at the right thing. So I'm going to change my paper sizing. You see, I have my paper on larger, so that's why it came in like that. So I'm going to change this to a width of 8.5. Oops. 8.5 by 11 in the portrait position and ensure the fit. And then I'm going to bring that back in again and hopefully we'll get it right this time. Picture. All right, so it got it right at 7.48 by 9.48, but I think we'll be fine. So I'm not going to change anything, but that's why it came in larger was because my design was set for a larger print. So we are going to take this. We're going to click on our image and go to picture format. We're going to rotate this. We're going to flip it horizontal, which is the equivalence to mirroring, because you always want to mirror your design when you're printing from or when you're going to do sublimation. In most cases, there are some glass instances where you would not mirror your image, but since we're doing this on fabric, it will be mirrored. All right. All right, I think that's it, guys. So we are ready to print this baby out. Let me get my paper into my printer. 1 second. All right, got our printer loaded. We're going to go ahead and click on File, Print, and we're just going to print this one slide. And I just want to make sure my settings are good. I'm going to go to Advanced, High Quality, yep, Letter, yep. So that looks good. And then our layout here, Portrait. All right, all that looks good. All right, we're going to go ahead and print this out. And while that's printing, I'm going to go ahead and cut my heat press back on. Again, I'm going to press this at 375 for 60 seconds onto this messenger bag. And I'm super excited to see how this turn out. All right, so I will come up and we will go ahead and take this to the heat press and go ahead and press it and see how it turns out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I don't know when this thing stopped, There we go. All right, so I'm going to be pressing this at 375 for 60 seconds. Again, I reset the image size at 6.6 by 8.9. Let me make sure I said that right. Yep, I reset the image at 6.6 by 8.9 because this would have included the black portion of the bag, which we don't want to sublimate on because it's not going to show up anyway. All right, so I'm probably going to put this on a t-shirt and send this to her too. All right, so we got our image sized and I put a little heat tape to hold it in place. We're going to go ahead and we're going to place the Teflon sheet on top, and we're going to press this baby right now for 60 seconds. I'm going to come back when we're about 5 seconds out and we'll take a look at it and put the bag together. All right, be back in when we're about 5 seconds out. All right, guys, we're about 5 seconds out. And I always like to just take a look first before I lift my print all the way off. I like to just take a look and see if I got a good press. Oh, it turned out so pretty. Oh, it turned out so pretty. Look at that, guys. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. It turned out really nice. You guys can see that? All right, guys, there we go. Turned out really pretty. So let's put it together now so we can get the full bag. All right, guys, so we have our bag now sublimated. Turned out beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to put it together so you can see what it's going to look like. And all you have to do is just take and line that Velcro back up inside of the bag. All right, so we're going to take and we're going to flip this on the front like it's supposed to go and flip this piece backwards. Make sure I got that right. Yep. I'm going to flip that backwards and put that Velcro right back to connect the Velcro. I want to make sure I got it straight. All right, I think that's good. And there we have it. Got our bag together now with our long strap. So this is what it will look like. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that cute? I hope y'all can see it good because I know it's really light in here. But anywho, you get 2 bags. They come like this. You're gonna get 2 bags for $20. All right, and they're pretty big, guys. So I'm gonna send her one, and Mama keeping one. I'm Mama, grandmama. Okay, so I'm gonna keep one. But you saw how easy that was. All right. So again, I made the image 6.6 by 8.9, I think it was, and it looks amazing. So I'm really pleased because a lot of times you get these bags and they're so little, guys. I'll show you on the inside. You got your zipper area here. So a lot of space in there. And then it has another pocket right there. Big old pocket right there. So it has a pocket, one pocket on the inside. And, you know, she'll be able to carry a bunch of her makeup and stuff in here. And there we have it. See how long that strap is? So I will link the supplier in the description of this video tutorial, guys. Again, I subbed at 375 for 60 seconds. And all it took was just the image mirrored that I created in Midjourney this morning. And then I went into Microsoft Word and added the Chef MG on there. I don't like to put the first name on kids stuff because somebody might walk up to them and say, "Hey, Micaiah," like they know them. So that's why I just stuck to Chef MG. And yeah, who's gonna have this? design at her school? Nobody but Micaiah. That's it. That's the way I love it. That's the beauty, guys, of having personalized um, merchandise. All right. That's the beauty of it. Nobody else is going to have this. All right. And even if I decide to sell this image, they're not going to have the Chef MG on that hat like that, right? Nope, they're not. Right, so that's it, guys. I wanted to show you these messenger bags. I'm super stoked about them because, like I said, sometimes I'll get bags or backpacks. Actually, I have one backpack now that I don't like because it's all connected. So it's hard to do a full sublimation the way you want to because it's still connected to the bag. So, being is that these come apart so that you can get a full sub on them with no issues. I love it. Okay. That's it. Y'all saw how easy that was. Christmas is coming, guys. You guys jump on it. I'm trying to give you all types of ideas for your Christmas uh ideas or Christmas things that you could sell. All right. So this is an easy one that doesn't require a lot of overhead, guys. If you already have a sublimation printer, your ink, your paper, all you need are your images and your bags. That's it. That's it, and that's all. All right. All right, guys, that's it. That's my story. I'm going to go ahead and close out here so at least I can eat some lunch on my lunch break. But I do want to thank you guys for being in my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. If you would like to join my Facebook group, all you have to do is click on the link in the description of this video tutorial, agree to the Facebook group rules, and you're in. Just like that. Really easy. And then if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you're not, why not, guys? Come on. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can have some laughs with the rest of us, okay? We like to have fun on my YouTube. Yeah, we do. All right. So if you're not subscribed, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because, like I say all the time, the more the merrier. All right. All right, guys. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Messenger bag, messenger tote bag from Amazon. It will be linked in the description of this video tutorial for you. All right. All right, guys. You know, my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day.